Registered apprenticeships are a proven solution to help businesses grow a custom-trained workforce, stacked with well-qualified, highly skilled workers who are recruited, trained, and retained by an organization for its specific needs. Unlike traditional post-secondary education programs, which are designed to prepare students for any number of career pathways, apprenticeships are designed by and for the employer, with a specialized focus on the unique needs of a specific job. Because apprentices learn primarily in the workplace, they develop the customized skills and knowledge they need to become fully competent employees. Today, there are more than 448,000 registered apprentices nationwide, spanning nearly every industry, including information technology, advanced manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, energy, finance, and consumer services. Registered apprenticeship is right for these businesses. And it might be right for your business as well. If you're interested in developing a registered apprenticeship program for your organization, this video will walk you through considerations and key next steps. Let's get started. Successful apprenticeships come from the collaboration of your business with local workforce development partners, educational institutions, the public workforce system, and other key community players. This collaboration helps to identify the resources needed, develop the design and management of your apprenticeship program, provide needed related instruction, and assist in recruiting apprentices. Look at your local community and identify the partners available to help you get started. You should also connect with the CareerSource Florida Local Workforce Development Board in your region to identify resources and opportunities for collaboration, such as candidate screening and customized training support. Every registered apprenticeship program has a sponsor. The sponsor is responsible for the overall operation of the program, working in collaboration with the partners. Sponsors can be a single business or a consortium of businesses. Alternatively, the sponsor can be a range of workforce intermediaries, including an industry association or a joint labor management organization. Community colleges and community-based organizations can also serve as sponsors for registered apprenticeship programs. With strong partnerships in place, the next step is to build your program. In this chapter, we'll walk you through the main steps of setting up a registered apprenticeship. Step 1. The 5 core components of an apprenticeship program. As you start to think through what shape your program will take, be sure to contact the Florida Department of Education Office of Apprenticeship early in your development process. They are the registration agency approved by the U.S. Department of Labor. They can assist in helping you include the 5 core components of a registered apprenticeship program. They are: 1. Build your program for your business. 2. Set up on-the-job training. 3. Include related instruction. 4. Ensure rewards for skill gains. 5. Complete a national occupational credential. Let's walk through each of these. Build your program for your business. As a business, you are the foundation of your apprenticeship program, and the skills needed by your workforce are at its core. This is why your apprenticeship program should be structured for your business and the workforce you need to be successful. Set up on-the-job training. Every program includes structured on-the-job training. Apprentices get hands-on training from an experienced mentor or journey worker at the business for typically no less than 1 year. On-the-job training must be structured, planned, and coordinated. It should be more than a job shadowing experience or a short-term employee induction program. On-the-job training is developed by mapping the skills and knowledge that the apprentice must learn over the course of the program in order to be fully proficient at the job. An apprenticeship must include at least 2,000 hours of on-the-job training. Include related instruction. In addition to on-the-job training, apprentices will need to receive additional instruction that complements their job site learning. This instruction delivers the technical, workforce, and academic competencies that apply to the job. For each year of an apprenticeship program, it is recommended that apprenticeships include a minimum of 144 clock hours or 3 credit-hour courses of related instruction. Related instruction can be provided by a community college, a technical school, or an apprenticeship training school. You may also provide this training yourself. If not, the Florida Office of Apprenticeship or your local education partners can work with you to develop the curriculum needed to satisfy the skills and knowledge requirements of your apprentices. Ensure rewards for skill gains. Apprentices earn while they learn. That means an apprenticeship should be viewed as a paying job, and apprentices are paid from the day they begin, just like an employee. That's because they are your employees. Start by establishing an entry wage and an ending wage while building progressive wage increases throughout your apprenticeship program when skill benchmarks are attained by your apprentices. Keep in mind, apprentices must be paid at least the minimum wage, then earn wage increases as they progress through the program. Complete a national occupational credential. Every completer of a registered apprenticeship program receives a nationally recognized credential issued by the Florida Department of Education. As you build the program, keep in mind that apprenticeship programs are designed to ensure that apprentices master every skill and have all the knowledge needed to be fully proficient for a specific occupation. This is a tremendous benefit to your business as well as your apprentices. These 5 key components are the backbone fundamentals for every apprenticeship. Once you decide how your program will be designed with these features, it's time to customize your business approach. Step 2. Selecting an on-the-job training approach. Apprenticeship programs should be customized to meet the needs of your business and the skill sets of your apprentices. How you progress your apprentices through your program is entirely up to you. Registered apprenticeships are designed to be either time-based, competency-based, or a hybrid-based model. In time-based programs, apprentices complete a required number of hours in on-the-job training and related instruction. In competency-based programs, apprentices progress at their own pace. They demonstrate competency in skills and knowledge through demonstration and proficiency tests as they progress through the program. The hybrid approach combines the attributes of both the time-based and competency-based models using minimum and maximum hour ranges and a successful demonstration of identified and measured competencies. Step 3. Establish a related training model. The training components in your apprenticeship program can be built in different ways. The most important point is to adopt a model that will work best for your business and your apprentices. There are 3 leading apprenticeship models that can serve as the basis for the related training component of your program. The first is a traditional apprenticeship model. In a traditional apprenticeship model, apprentices receive both related instruction and on-the-job training at the same time throughout the program. Related instruction can be based at a school, provided at the job site, or completed online. It can take place during or after work hours. For a front-loaded model, apprentices complete some or all of their related instruction before starting their on-the-job training. This provides the apprentice with the opportunity to learn critical skills required for the first day on the job. Programs can also be built using a segmented model, in which apprentices alternate between related instruction and on-the-job training. Step 4. Identify program leaders. Lastly, you will need to identify the key people and organizational structure to operate the program. Consider who on staff will be a great mentor or journey worker for the apprentices. Is there an individual on staff who can serve as coordinator of the program? What will be your process for signing up apprentices for related instruction? These are just a few questions that the Florida Office of Apprenticeship can help you find solutions for as you build out your program. Identifying these individuals early and providing them the opportunity to collaborate on the development of your apprenticeship program will ensure a stronger and more successful program. Once you've built your apprenticeship program, the next step is to register it as a part of the Florida Registered Apprenticeship Network. Registered apprenticeship programs are those programs that have met national standards for registration with the Florida Department of Education. Businesses that register their apprenticeship programs have access to many benefits, including a nationwide network of expertise and support at no cost, along with potential funding and other resources from federal programs. While the information provided in this video can be used to design the key aspects of your business's apprenticeship program, the Florida Department of Education Office of Apprenticeship can help guide you through the building process and formal registration. You will also have an assigned apprenticeship representative who will serve as your technical advisor and support throughout the lifespan of your program. Once your program is registered, you are ready to market your new offering and begin recruiting. The partnerships you formed in the development phase are more critical now than ever, as your collaborative work will help launch and sustain your program. Your partners will provide support, talent recruitment, promotion, and technical assistance. Ensure they are aware of your timeline and invite them to collaborate with you. When your program is ready to launch, consider the following. Step 1. Market your new program. You will need to promote your new program to market it to your community and build its credibility. This will help attract high-quality candidates and reach community stakeholders that may not be a part of your core partnerships. Marketing your program and showing success will be necessary for long-term sustainability. Step 2. Start recruitment activities. As you actively promote your new apprenticeship program, begin recruiting efforts by actively searching, vetting, and recruiting candidates. Once hired, be sure to register your apprentices with the Florida Department of Education. Step 3. Work with your apprenticeship representative. Your assigned apprentice representative is your best resource for ongoing support and technical assistance. Keep in contact with them to ensure you're meeting specified requirements for reporting for your registered apprenticeship program. They are here to help you. Step 4. Training begins. Once hired, it's time for your apprentices to begin training. Your training plan is entirely structured by you, including milestones, knowledge and skill competencies, related instruction, and hours on the worksite. Track your apprentices' progress as they advance through the apprenticeship and increase their skills. Step 5. Assess and improve. As this is your apprentice program, you have the flexibility to assess its performance, adapt as needed to fulfill the business goals of your organization, the needs of your apprentices, and the challenges of your industry. Step 6. Share success stories. Tell your story. Apprenticeship programs benefit when you share best practices and promote the value it brings to your business, your employees, and your community. This builds tremendous credibility for your program and partners, as well as instills pride in your apprentices while marketing to potential recruits. Invite others to tell your story. Reach out to your local news outlets and invite them to learn more about your apprenticeship program. Work with your local trade associations to identify potential speaking engagements for you to share your program's best practices. Work with your local workforce development partner to explore opportunities to share your learnings, successes, and highlights with other businesses in your community that might be interested in starting a registered apprenticeship program. Remember, apprenticeships are a win-win for businesses, for workers, and for the community. It's a great story to tell. There's never been a better time to explore how a registered apprentice program can help recruit, train, and retain the workforce you need for your business. Under an apprentice program, apprentices and businesses learn, earn, and thrive. For more information on apprentice programs, please visit ApprenticeFlorida.com. And if you're ready to begin designing a registered apprenticeship program for your business, please contact the Florida Department of Education.